Hi everyone, this is Asma Khalid from Host, and in today's video we are going to learn about what is WordPress and what are the main components of WordPress. Now basically WordPress is a powerful content management system, or CMS in other words, and almost 40% of all websites in the world are powered by WordPress. Now WordPress runs on SQL, which is a rational database management system, and PHP, a popular scripting language. Now, when you construct a WordPress site, you are essentially creating a database of pages, posts, media, images, and other type of material. The WordPress software then turns this content into a web page that user may read using PHP. Now, let us see what are the main components of a WordPress website. Okay, so basically using your login information, you can visit the WordPress dashboard after installation. This is the dashboard, and this is how you can see it. The dashboard serves as the central hub from which you may handle every aspect of your website. It is a user-friendly interface with a number of menus, as you can see, and customization possibilities. Now let's check them one by one. The number one thing are the themes and templates, which you can find it in the appearance. So what is the first thing you see in your website, in any WordPress website, is the layout or the design of the theme of this website. So what you can do is go into the appearance and go into themes. Now from here, you can always check out a new theme. So WordPress offers a sizable selection of themes and templates from which you can alter. For example, right now, right on the bat, we can see we have the 2023, the 2021, and the 2022. Now, the dashboard allows you to evaluate and apply many themes, and you can further modify each one of those themes to suit your preferences. Next are the plugins. So for plugins, you can click on the plugin from the left-hand side menu. Now, plugins and extensions are basically enhance the functionality of a website. These plugins are like small little apps that add features and capabilities to a website, such as contact forms or e-commerce site or social media integration. For example, right now we can see that we have installed a rank math SEO and a table of content block SEO plugin over here. Now, both of these plugins have specific functionality that adds value to a WordPress site. The next thing is the content creation one. Now, for that, you can always go into either post or you can add the media according to the theme which you are using. Now, you may create and manage a variety of content kinds with WordPress, including the pages, the blog posts. So from here, you can create the post. From here, you can create the pages. Next is to organize the content. Now, WordPress organizes your material using a system of categories and tags. So, for example, if you go in posts, you will be able to see that there are tags over here. Right now, we have not added some tags, but once we do, they will be categorized and organized. Next is the media library. From the left-hand side menu, go into media and click on library. Now, the media library houses all of the uploaded media, all the pictures, all the videos. So you may edit and add media to your posts and pages from this dashboard. So the next thing is that WordPress is extremely mobile responsive. Your websites will look great and work properly on a variety of screens, including desktops, tablets, and smartphones. And once you create something, for example, if you go into post and click on add new, and simply add your stuff over here. Let's just wait a couple of seconds. So once you add a number of content, your images, from here you can also select blocks of code or pictures or videos, even table of content and whatnot. And once you're done, you can simply click on publish and your content will be published. So how can you basically get the web hosting for such kind of websites? The simple answer is to go on tastehost.com and select WordPress web hosting from this top batch, and you will be able to see a variety of options for web hosting specifically designed for WordPress sites. Now, the support system and the customer support, the IT support of Tastehost is extremely versatile. They are there to help you out by helping you create a new website and handing you over a brand new dashboard for you to work on. Even if you get any kind of problem during the duration of your hosting, the support team is over there, the pricing is very low, and basically you get a great experience with this host. So that is it for today. In today's video, we learned about what is WordPress and what are the main components of WordPress and where you can get the hosting for the WordPress site.